Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Marketing Tool Shed. Hey, just wanted to welcome you back. If you've already used the first video that said start here when it comes to Zapier, let me just give you another quick walkthrough as we go and we kind of unpack Zapier. It's really only 3 steps. Let's go through each step. Once you go to Zapier or once you log into Zapier using your Google login or an email address, there's only 3 steps, and then we're going to unpack some more steps later on. I'm going to get a little bit deeper, but I think if we stay at the level at the surface level, I think you'll be good. So the first thing you need to do is once you log in, you're going to go to your dashboard. Then the first thing you're going to do is going to say, hey, you're going to create a Zap, right? Or you're going to go here and you're going to say, hey, you know what? I want to connect this app. So it's really create a Zap. I want to connect app 1 to app 2. That's all you're doing is you're connecting one app to another. And you can see here, I have one app connected to this app, and then you have to name your app. I have AirMeet connected to Google Sheets. I have Samcart connected to UpCoach. So the only thing you're doing is you're making 2 apps talk to each other by a series and a sequence of events. So let's look at that a little bit more detail. I just want to take you through these 3 steps. You got to create a Zap and you name it, and you're going to connect one app to the second app. So let's go through and let's unpack it a little bit more. So now that we're over here inside the screen, I just wanted to take you through those first few elements. So you can always create again here, or you can just find the 2 apps that you're looking for. So it's either 1 there or 2, find these 2 here. So let's go with just keep it on the surface. Let's go with create a Zap, right? That's the first thing you do. Again, it's the same thing, but now you're just searching from here. You're connecting one app to another app. Webhooks are they're premium, so you can't use a free plan with this. Webhooks are on a whole nother level. If you let me know if you want me to do a video on webhooks, that's going to be powerful. That's even more powerful than you think. So you can name it here. You actually put your name in here. My new, and they're called Zaps, right? Just to make stuff connect. That's their way of Zapier saying, hey, so what you do here is you find, let me find this one app. I'm going to use Ontraport. Right? That's an app that I use. And here's what I want to happen. What I want to happen is when someone logs in and if a new account is created, it triggers when a new account is created or when a form is submitted or when a product is purchased or when a tag is added and so on and so forth. So this is a very thorough, deep API because I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can do 6 different things. You're not going to find that in a lot of tools. You're not going to find a deep API where a person could do 5 or 6 things. All right. And so let's do this. Say, you know what? When a new contact is added, right? This is what starts the Zap. When a new contact is added, that's 1. So we'll go continue here. So what I have to do is I have to choose my account. I'll go ahead and choose my account and I'll fast forward and kind of let you see what happens when this connects up. So what I wanted to do is all I had to do was connect up my particular application. And again, sometimes I'll use secret keys or secret ways you can actually connect. But on your particular application, they're going to give you access keys. It's normally 2. It's normally an access key and it's normally a secret key, and that those 2 connect. You're going to at least be 2 means that make each other talk to each other, make each tool talk to each other. So you're going to do that and you're going to connect that up, right? And then it says, hey, we're a secure partner. Credentials are encrypted, right? So you can manage that, and then you can either test it here or you can hit connect. The next thing you're going to do is then you're going to connect to what tool you want it to talk to. So let's look and see what happens there. So again, like I said, you can test it out here. You can make the 2 talk to each other, and then you can test the trigger, right? And so you can actually, I think they want you to test it first now to see if they'll actually 2 talk to each other. So what I did, I have a troubleshooting error here because I didn't go back and reset my key, right? I haven't used this trigger in a while, and that's okay. I could just skip ahead, but I do want it to connect up, okay? So let's take a look at that. So as you can see right here, the next step of that is, this is the information that it's going to pull over, right? So these are the types of things that it's going to pull over, right? It's going to go, what's the name, fax number, email, Joe Blow, Jason, or whatever, who's the owner, so on and so forth. So all those things is going to pull over, and then it's going to, any of the information that I wanted to pull over, it's actually going to pull over. And then you hit continue here, right? You hit continue. So once you hit continue, it takes you down. It says, hey, you know, what is the second action? What do you want it to do? Where do you want to send that information to? Do you want to send it to a Google Docs? Do you want to send it to a Google Sheets? Do you want to send it to some of the other tools that you have available? Again, it is the most widely used Zapier. Over 5,500 applications are using this. All right, and so you can connect it to another tool, or you can connect it over Google Sheets, or you can pass it over somewhere else, and you can send out your emails and so on and so forth. So that's really it. You're just connecting those two up. You're making sure you're matching them up. So hopefully this video was helpful. Again, you can like and subscribe if you want. If you want to see me go a little bit deeper, try to stay on the surface, because I am going to move into and evolve over another 2 or 3 videos and take you in behind the scenes. And I can even let you take a look at some of the operations that I have set up. All right. So again, thank you for connecting here with me here on the station. And if you guys need more information, just go ahead and let me know your comments below in the box and let me know what you're thinking. All right. This has been Jenny Jones. You guys take care. Goodbye for now.